Hello, I'm going to demonstrate how to lay out a project. I have pasted the space guidelines into the screen to make the information handy. I have also copied the architectural blocks that we are going to use on the project. In this exercise, I will put together the master bedroom, walk-in, master bath, bedroom, and the adjacent bath. To start the drawing, I will use the minimum space prescribed and adjust as we develop the plan. For this exercise, I will use rectangle command. Okay, the master bedroom is 4,000 by 4,000. The walk-in closet is 1,500 by 1,500. The master bath is 1,350 by 2,400. The bedroom for two persons is 3,900 by 3,900. And the adjacent bath is 1,300 by 1,800. I normally prefer to place the bedrooms on the north and eastern sides of the property to take advantage of the natural wind and sun movement. I will now use the rotate command to achieve my preferred orientation for each room. In doing this, I have to make sure the ortho is on by pressing F8 or clicking the ortho icon. You can also use Ctrl L. The master bedroom remains. Walk-in closet remains. The master bath will be oriented this way. Here I will type RO or click this icon. The adjacent bath will be oriented in the same manner. Since I have two baths here, I will put them side by side with one another so I can have a common plumbing wall. To do that, I will use the move command by typing M or clicking this icon. By using the move command, I will stack each rectangle one on top of another. First, I will move this master bath from this end point to this end point. Then, the walk-in closet from this end point to here. I have to make sure I got the right point. Then, this bath should be back to back with the other bath to maximize plumbing and cost efficiency. Then, the last one will be the bedroom for two persons. Now, what you see are rooms stacked up together. I will now adjust their positions so that we can see the walls between the rooms. Use the move command and choose the group by a crossing selection. Click here and here. Press enter, then click on a blank space for the base point, pull down the group, and type 100. Repeat the process for the bottom rooms. This time, I will type 150 to establish a plumbing wall. Then, click on the bedroom and move it down by 100. Then, the last one is the walk-in closet and move to the left by 100. Now, you can see that each room is separated by what will be our walls. But before we do that, I will demonstrate a few useful methods in selecting. We have the single pick, multiple picks, window, and crossing. On a single pick, you click on one object, then press enter. On multiple picks, you click on one object at a time, then press enter. On window, you create a window by picking on a blank area, then move the cursor to the right, upwards or downwards, and a rectangle with solid lines is created. until you pick another blank space. See what happens? It says 3 found. Why? Because only those items completely inside the window were selected. The bedrooms were not included because they were not completely inside the window. Using crossing is easier in this exercise. Pick a blank point, then move your cursor to the left, upwards or downwards. In crossing selection, a rectangle with dotted lines appear instead of solid lines. Make sure that the dotted window crosses the elements, even all those completely inside the crossing are selected. Now you see 5 found. The north, east, and south portions of the plan will be exterior walls, which will be 150 mm thick. All the rooms shown here are rectangles, and clicking any one will highlight the whole rectangle. We will use the command explode to convert the 4 lines of each rectangle into individual lines. To make editing faster, I will explode all rectangles using crossing selection. Type the command X for explode and select crossing. Before proceeding, note that these 2 lines look like they are aligned. To check that, let us use linear dimension command. Click this button, click here and here, then click to the desired placement of the dimension. Repeat the linear dimension and you can see now that they align. Then, select the offset icon or type O to offset the walls. Type 150 for the offset distance. Select the object and click on the side where you want to offset. Because this side is aligned, I only need to offset 1 line. To close off walls, I can use fillet, not fillet, with a distance 0 to close 2 lines. Sometimes trim will do the trick. So there it is. Our plan now has walls in it.